also Jade, and I changed the setup of my room, as you can see from my background or whatever, period. But I was trying to figure out what unboxing I should show you guys today, because I have black Malaysian closures to unbox, I have blonde Brazilian closures to unbox that I don't know if I'll ever use, hopefully, but I was just trying to figure out what video I should come at y'all with today. Y'all will end up seeing all of my unboxings, do not worry. But the first unboxing I wanted to do is this sequin mermaid blanket. Like, I always wanted to use this. I don't know why I have never came across using this. I had this for probably a year now. I got this at Dave & Buster's, y'all. I wanted y'all. I had a lot of tickets and points that day, you know what I'm saying, or whatever the fuck they call it. But like, yeah, just stay tuned and y'all go see me finally unbox this little mermaid blanket that's just been sitting up in my closet all fucking year. Y'all, I'm tired. I woke up at 10 o'clock today because I had my little graduation or whatever. I had my little senior graduation. It ended up being a drive-through graduation because obviously Miss fucking Rona flying around. We couldn't have a real graduation ceremony, but like, you know. So I'm gonna just take this out the packaging. Plastic bag or whatever, little sandwich bag, you know what I'm saying? Comes in a little plastic hanger. I'm just do that, like, I really don't give no fucks. Y'all know me, I just don't care at this point. Little cardboard supporting it. I went to a protest. I wish I unboxed this earlier because I could have used this and wrote Black Lives Matter on you. Let me show y'all. My friend made this for me. It's so cute. But anyway, getting off track here, people. This is the Mermaid Blanket. And I apologize for the background sounds or whatever. You know, motherfuckers in my house is watching movies and shit. You know what I'm saying? But it's really sparkly and sequiny. You could put it this way and it'll be blue, you know what I'm saying? And you could brush it this way and it'll be pink. Like them little pillows, you know what I'm saying? And it's white on the inside and it's really soft. At the back, it's really soft, plush pink. And you know, I don't know if y'all know this about me, but I'm tall as fuck, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit in this. Like, let's just try it on, you know what I'm saying? Like a little unboxing try on little thing, you know what I'm saying? I'll be back because I don't want y'all to see my booty, but yeah, I'm gonna try this on. I am too tall for this, y'all look. So y'all, this is it on me right now. I put my feet through the tail. Like, I'm a mermaid. I always wanted to be a fucking mermaid. Like, can y'all believe this? It's cute, but it's too short on me. I knew I was gonna be too tall for this shit. Don't tell me this shit backwards. Let me show y'all what I mean about it being too small for me. So, my legs end here, but these only end here. You know what I'm saying? And I apologize for all the nudity y'all be seeing on my damn channel, but this can't even fit over my booty. So that's what I'm talking about. So this is 100% polyester. The care instruction says hand wash cold, wash separately. Do not use chemical whiteners or bleaching agents or stain removers while washing. Dry flat, do not iron, do not dry clean, do not expose to sunlight for a long time, as this could cause the color to fade, period. But I tell you though, I'm sleepover ready, bro. So y'all, it wasn't backwards, just had a tag on the outside for some reason, but like, I'm too tall for this blanket, and I always been too tall for this blanket, even if I tried it on the day I got it. Like, I'm tall as fuck. Y'all already know I'm not a small hoe, so this is kind of short on me. Like, don't get me wrong, it's comfy for a smaller person. This is kind of, it's small for me. So yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna throw this away or give it away. I might save it for my future kids, even though they probably are gonna be tall too. But I really like this. Like, it's comfy, you know what I'm saying? Like, it might be small on me, but it's really comfy. And it's really warm and it's portable and you can like fold it, take it with you on places, you know what I'm saying? And I really like this. Hey y'all, it's Editing Crystal and I will be popping up in this video as well because there's some shit I forgot to say, and I want to tell y'all I am not that tall, okay? I'm just 5'8". Don't think that I'm like 6'5" or some shit. Like, not that there's anything wrong with 6'5" girls. Y'all are beautiful. But I'm not that tall. I'm only 5'8", so yeah. Mwah. I don't know if this video gonna be short. I've been making short videos lately. Oh well, but let me know if y'all want to see more unboxings. My head really hurts. I'm sorry, y'all. And y'all will see more unboxings, actually. You know what I'm saying? So give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment if y'all want. Click the bell icon so you can get notification every time I post a brand new video. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.